Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Patriot rear turn signal. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself with just a few basic tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a 7mm socket, and a new 3157 clear bulb. A trim removal tool can also be very helpful for those stubborn plastic clips. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, saving you time and a trip to the mechanic. First, open your Jeep Patriot's rear liftgate to gain access to the taillight assembly. You'll notice two plastic push pins on the side of the taillight housing, closest to the vehicle's body. Use your flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to carefully pry out the center of each pin, then remove the entire pin. Once both pins are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight backward. It's held in place by a few clips, so a firm but steady pull is best. With the taillight assembly detached, you'll see the bulb sockets. The turn signal bulb is typically the upper one. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it from the taillight housing. Once unlocked, pull the socket straight out. Now, gently pull the old, faulty bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new 3157 clear bulb and firmly push it straight into the socket until it's seated correctly. After inserting the new bulb, twist the socket clockwise back into the taillight housing until it locks securely. Before fully reassembling, it's crucial to test the new bulb. Turn on your vehicle and activate the turn signal to ensure it's working properly. Once confirmed, align the taillight assembly with its mounting points and firmly push it straight back into place. Finally, reinsert the two plastic push pins, pushing the center in to lock them, and you're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.